Hey guys, this is Alex with AXZ Garage, doing a quick follow-up regarding the CTEK Multi US 7002 battery charger maintainer. I've had it for about 2 weeks. Everything's been working out just fine, the way I expected. Two things that I'm doing is, one, I'm going to put on a quick extension, the 8-foot extension that you can buy separately, and also I actually ended up installing or placing the battery charger maintainer on my workbench here. And as you can see, there isn't much cord left. Like, this is only about four feet or so. Let's check out this packaging real quick. This is the 8-foot extension for the Comfort Connect. Gonna throw that on there real quick. So just to show you guys. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. I like to close my hood lightly here. Not all the way, just so it latches a little bit. All right, and the next thing that I'm gonna actually do is just tape it to the ground to make sure nobody falls or trips over it. Have kids around here, so just wanna make sure it stays nice and tidy if I can. All right, so please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.